Hello there, Flat Earth. So this video initially was supposed to be a refutation of SE Montreal and Floodzoid videos about the new moon, that it should block the sun or come in front of the sun. But then I thought, well, let me make it two in one. I thought this should be showing the declination or the declining of the flat Earth. So the refutation video that I was going to do was not going to be made by me. I was going to show a flat earther explaining the moon and the motion of the moon and how we get the new month and eclipses and these things. So that's what I meant by the declining of the flat earth. Some flat earthers were so good at what they do. They understand the heliocentric model, they show things, the clear misconceptions, but now all what we have is misconceptions. So I'll just show one small clip for Dr. Zach, now known as Decimal Z, and then I'll show you Mike Ball video explaining the new moon and the eclipse.
And by the way, if perspective is the reason why the sun sets on the flat earth, then the more the sun moves away from us, the slower it should appear to us, right? Imagine yourself in the middle of a highway. The cars that pass by you will be moving in their real speed, but as they move away from you, they look like they are slowing down. But that doesn't happen with the sun, right? In fact, the sun appears to travel faster the more it moves away from you. So perspective is definitely not the only reason why the sun goes down.
That was an elegant debunk for the perspective sunset. Because yeah, it can go to the vanishing point, but it will take forever to do that, slowing down. Now, let's move to Mike Ball.
Okay, so now we're going to bring in the moon. Here's our moon. Yes, it's not to scale. Okay, so if the moon orbited the Earth equally on this ecliptic plane, the one that cuts the sun and the Earth in half, if it orbited perfectly around that plane, then every new moon, when the Earth or the moon was between the Earth and the sun, we would have a solar eclipse. Okay? But we're told the moon does not do that. The moon actually orbits sometimes down below the Earth, sometimes back up above it, sometimes it's higher than that ecliptic plane. They say it's got a 5-degree inclination. Sometimes it's up here, sometimes it's down here when it passes the sun. Okay, that's why we don't get the solar eclipse every single month.